BSD custom basements. Start with the front end, got the fit FAF tyre, BSD hub, the clat rim. That's pretty good. I've got the BSD forks, nice and strong. Got the prime headset. It's a bit creaky. Too keen on that, like. Got the BSD stem, front load. K3 bars, nice and big. ODI grips. Frame wise, we've got the BSD trailer park. It's nice, very light. McNeil cranks, salt pedals. On this side we've got a season sprocket, left hand drive, shitty United chain, BSD fat seat, BSD seat post, fat wheel, oil tyre, on another clat rim, and BSD hub, both female axles. I love it, it's nice and light, strong. This is my machine.